Okay, so note down the next problem. In this problem, one rod AO is supported by using the cable AB. Okay, so it is held in the vertical position by applying the tension T. So this T value is 15 kilonewton. So rod AO, it is along the y-axis, and point B, it is in the XZ plane. Okay, so we have to determine the moment M by the tension T about the Z-axis. Okay. So the first step will be we have to represent the tension T in the vector form. So this tension T, it is in the tension in the cable AB. So this T bar is equal to mod T into unit vector in the direction of the AB. So to find out this unit vector, first find out the coordinates of the point B and point A. So B lies in the XZ plane, so its Y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 12 meter and Z coordinate is 5 meter. So 12, 0, 5, these are the coordinates. Then for point A, so point A, it is along the y-axis. So remaining two coordinates are 0. So Z 0 and X 0 and Y is equal to 15. So 0, 15, 0, this is the coordinate for the point A. So find out this unit vector AB. So this is equal to, it is 12 minus 0 plus 0 minus 15 plus 5 minus 0. And divided by this 12 square plus 15 square plus 5 square. Okay, so simplify this equation. So you will get the answer 0.605 minus 0.756 plus 0.252. Okay, so this is the unit vector in the direction AB. Now find out the tension. So this is equal to mod T is given, that is equal to 15 kilonewton. So this 15 into this total vector. So this is equal to 9.068 I minus 11.33 and plus 3.77 K. Okay, so check this answer. So this is the tension AB bar. Now next is we have to find out the moment. So moment by the tension AB about the Z axis. Okay, so in the last problem, the line was given. Okay, so we calculated the unit vector along that line. So similarly here, we have to find out the unit vector along the Z direction. Okay, so this is the Z axis. So for Z axis, we know the unit vector. So it is the K unit vector. Okay. So unit vector along Z direction. So it is K only. So we will represent this as a lambda Z. So this is equal to K. Then tension vector TAB bar. So this is equal to so this is the Z axis. Then this is the tension AB. So this is the point A and this is point B. Okay, so now this is the position vector which joins the moment line and the starting point of the force. So this is represented as, so this is point O, this is R bar, so we will represent this R bar as O slash C, sorry, O slash A. So this will be A minus O. So coordinates of point A, so this is 0, then 15 and 0. For point O, coordinates are 0, 0, 0. So O slash A, this will be 0 minus 0 into I plus 15 minus 0 into J plus 0 minus 0 into K. So this is equal to 15J. Okay, so this is the position vector which joins the moment line and the starting point of the force. So your actual moment about that Z axis will be, so moment by the tension about the Z axis. So this is equal to, so this is lambda x, lambda y and lambda z. So these are the components of the unit vector along that Z axis. Then we have the components of the position vector. So this is Rx, Ry and Rz. And last will be the components of the force. So tension X, Ty and Tz. Okay. So lambda x, lambda y both are 0. And this is 1. Then Rx, Ry, Rz. So Rx is 0, Ry is 15 and Rz is 0. So refer this. And for the tension, so this is Tx, Ty and Tz. So Tx is 9.068, Ty is minus 11.33 and Tz, so it is 3.77. Okay, so solve this determinant. So you will get the answer minus 136.02. So this is kilonewton meter. Okay, so this is the magnitude of that moment about the Z axis, and its vector form will be, so multiply this by the unit vector. So this is minus 136.02 into K.